Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Dishes at Ajab. Today's video, I'm using the self-raising flour from Ajab. I'm making a rainbow cake. Now this is the cake. You can see all the different colors and I hope you'll enjoy yours. The way I'm enjoying mine. Now for the cake, 4 eggs, 250 grams of sugar, 250 ml of milk, 200 ml of cooking oil, and the self-raising flour, Ajab self-raising flour is what you're using. So start with the eggs. So there you have it. So to the 4 eggs, I'm going to add the sugar and the eggs first. Just mix it until all the eggs are completely broken down. Add the oil. After adding the oil, mix it. So you basically mix it until all the oil is incorporated into the eggs and sugar. And then to this, add the milk. Now at this stage, you can actually add the vanilla essence if you have that. This is a rainbow cake. You can add even lemon zest. So now for the flour, we need 300 grams. So you don't want to over mix it because the flour will spread all over the surface. So you first start slowly, and this also applies whenever you're doing it with an electric hand mixer. And you basically stop mixing when you're satisfied there's no lumps and all the flour has been fully mixed into the batter. The batter is ready. That's the consistency. I have 6 containers. I want to divide this mixture into 6 different bowls so that I'll add 6 different colors. When I was looking at the colors I have available, now it doesn't have to be these specific colors. It can be, in fact, what happens when it comes to food color is you just choose the 3 main colors, red, yellow and blue, the primary colors, and then you can always get new colors from mixing, like what we did in school. This is a powder form, so I have 2 powders. I have one that is a gel. Now the gels are more concentrated, so you use a small amount, or you can also get one that is already pre-made. Now this is the red one. So if I pour a little bit, now when it comes to the color, just pour a little at a time, and then you will mix it, and then if you feel you need more of that color, you can always add more. For the gel, this is purple. I know gel, you only need a small amount. If it's now the powder, what you do with the powder, whenever you have food color, is small amount in water and dissolve it. So the more the powder you add, the more the concentration of the color. And I also have yellow. So you can add as much as, when it's the powder, you can add as much as, you don't have to worry about the amount, because all you need to do is dissolve it in water, like that. Then also the same thing now with a small amount. So that's yellow, green, which other color? So I have that. So let's first mix this. So when mixing, just make sure it's completely, the color is completely dissolved, and then you have this same color. There's no streaks. That's one color. For the green, now if you want it more intense, just add more of the color. For this one, I feel I need more. And like I said, it doesn't have to be these colors that I've put, so it's up to you, whatever colors that you have available. Purple, is it? Yes. It's more of red. Now purple, you get purple when you mix blue and red. So I'm happy with that. Whatever, it's not as purple as I want it to be, but that's still okay. Use this one for the red. So I'm going to mix the yellow and red. And I'm expecting to get some orange. It's more red. So I'll add, actually no. It's orange. See, that's how you get colors. So long as you have the primary colors, you can get more colors. So that's as simple as that. And again, don't worry about whatever colors that you may have. 6 is a good number to work with. Since I do not have an extra color, you can leave 1 as plain, and that can still work. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. So now I'm going to start with 1. Now the idea whenever you're doing this is try and put the same amount of the mixture at the center. So, and then I'm going to repeat the same sequence until all the cake mix is put in the tin. Now the tin is already lined with a greaseproof paper, and I've smeared some butter on the sides, so it's ready for baking. And also I've set the oven at 180 degrees. So when I finish this, I'll take it to the oven. So I've divided the mixture into 3. I wanted to do 2, but the more the mixture, and the maximum should be 3, the more the layers you'll get of the colors. So here's the cake, and one thing that is a characteristic of this cake, this recipe, is that it always has this crack on this egg, and it's a dome. There's the rainbow color. This is perfect. Smells delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We were using the fortified self-raising flour, the Ajab self-raising flour. We made this delicious, beautiful cake, and I hope you'll enjoy yours like I know I'll enjoy mine. I'm Chef Raphael, signing out for Dishes at Ajab. Goodbye.